What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a grill that doesn't always get the spotlight, the RecTeq Patio Legend 410. But today we're here to change that with the all-new Pimp My Grill tactical stainless folding front shelf. Now, this is the only front shelf on the market designed specifically for this grill. So if you've been waiting for that special upgrade, the wait is officially over. Now let's check it out. That's right, this is the first and only front shelf available for the 410. It's designed from the ground up to fit perfectly, giving you the workspace you've been missing. Whether you're prepping food or holding trays, this shelf adds a level of convenience that 410 owners haven't had until now. Like all of our tactical stainless front shelves, this is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel. It's built tough to handle all your grilling needs, whether it's hot trays, heavy pans, or just holding your barbecue essentials. And of course, it's American-made, so you can count on its durability and top-tier craftsmanship. Now here's the tactical part. The only accessory compatible with this shelf is our paper towel and butcher paper holder with easy tear feature. It's perfect for quickly grabbing a sheet when you're wrapping up ribs or wiping down your grill. Simple, functional, and a total game changer for your grilling setup. Our innovative design allows for one-handed setup and retraction. Installation is a breeze. This shelf bolts right into your 410's leg bolts without any cutting, drilling, or complicated tools. In just minutes, you'll have a sleek and functional front shelf that'll take your grilling game to the next level. So if you've been holding out for the perfect upgrade for your RecTeq Patio Legend 410, then the Pimp My Grill tactical stainless folding front shelf is exactly what you need. It's functional, it's durable, and it's the only front shelf on the market designed specifically for this grill. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more game-changing mods and accessories. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy grilling.